A black family in Georgia just lost their land to a white-owned railroad company, and they say it's straight up theft. For nearly 2 years, Blaine and Diane Smith have been fighting to keep 600 acres of land that their grandfather bought in the 1920s. But last week, a Georgia judge ruled in favor of Sandersville Railroad, allowing them to seize the land under eminent domain. This land fed generations. It paid for college. It built black wealth. And now a 4.5, about a 4.5 mile rail line is going to be cutting through their property, disrupting the homes, putting the community at risk for pollution, and also allowing trespassers, essentially creating another state-sanctioned cancer row. But the Smiths are not backing down. They're taking their fight to the Georgia Supreme Court. They have basically said, we're not going to let another black family get removed off the land. This is an important story that we're going to continue to follow. Hopefully next week I can get Blaine and Diane on Night School so that we can talk about this in depth. But I want to put this story on your radar, that the courts are right now siding with a railroad company to further dispossess a black family from a generationally owned property. This is something that we find disturbing. This is something that we want to cover. This is something that we care about. This is something that you should care about. I find these stories to be happening more and more, particularly in the South. I feel like it's almost a moment where people just either aren't paying attention, or the courts believe people aren't paying attention. And without the global outcry, without the, or at least the national outcry, without the organizing actions around it, we're seeing people routinely dispossessed. And because the courts have been packed with conservatives, not just in states like Georgia, but in states that are typically more generous with this, the people are not winning. That's all I can tell you.